Hey everyone, Mani Radiant here. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I'm gonna review about Pokemon XYZ anime episode 4, that is A Fairy Departure, titled to Pyroar and Litleo. Oh guys, this episode has emotion in it. I really enjoyed this episode, although this episode was a smooth episode, you can say, but taught us many lessons. I'm gonna tell you what I learned personally from this episode. The number one thing I've learned that a father and a son relationship. Guys, sometimes a time comes when father wants his son to grow up, to stand by his own, to walk on his footsteps. So in order to do that, sometimes he takes some harsh decisions. So in his heart, he really loves his son. So guys, respect your father. And the second lesson I have learned, that you have to strive to achieve what you wanna get, and not everything is given to you in a plate. Yes, you can understand that. You have to strive, you have to work hard day and night to achieve your goals. And the third lesson that I've learned from this is have confidence in yourself. So let's get on with the review then, shall we? So the episode starts as Bonnie making a hilarious moment by saying, Clement, if you walk slowly, we all leave you back. Oh, that episode was so funny. I enjoyed that episode at that moment. And after that we see that a Pyroar taunting his son Litleo, as I said, very harshly, but was for its betterness, you can say. And then we see that Ash immediately refuses this kind of attitude and walks between them. And all the group was like, hey Satoshi, you are facing a lion, man. Don't just stand there, he'll trip you apart. That was my thought. I enjoyed it. So moving on, we see that after battling with Pyroar, the head of the lion vanishes, and we see Litleo damaged and lying on the ground. And after that, Ash and the group helps that Litleo to Serena tries to give him Poffle, but he refuses, remembering his father's words that he has to become independent, has to grow up. So in order to achieve that, he leaves the group behind, and Ash realizes this and stops Bonnie to not to go after it. But the group decides that they will watch every movement of Litleo and chasing what it wants. So the whole episode mainly focuses the trials faced by Litleo. Like Litleo has fallen from a cliff. He even faced water, like he is a fire type Pokemon and is afraid of water, but he swam into it. And we see that he walked on the bare rocks in the very hot weather, and he was also being distracted by Team Rocket, in which Pyroar noticed that and vanished Team Rocket with his furious flamethrower. So Pyroar as a father was also watching his son taking the path, so he was being proud inside his heart. After that we see that during the trials a motivational song is being played in the anime episode, motivated me too. And after that we see in the end, when Litleo finally reaches a tree having a berry, he ate it and he knew that his father was watching him. So he accomplished his goal in finding food with sheer hard work. And then in the meantime we see Team Rocket coming again and taking Pyroar as a capture with their Mega Charizard robot thingy. Yes, I think that's the name. I think they named it Mark II Sweeper Robot, I think. So moving on, we see that everyone tries to save Pyroar, but as the moment comes when Litleo has been damaged by the robot, Pyroar, like he's a father, unlocks his rage mode, and he was like, roar, roar, I don't need anything, burned to hell, like he was out of control in complete overheat. And then Litleo takes charge and somehow manages to get to Pyro and calm his dad. And after that, when he calmed his dad, Frogadier used Cut to release them, and then they all went an all-out attack on that Mega Charizard robot, and they annihilated that Team Rocket. So guys, the episode was very tense and emotional episode, and a smooth episode like I mentioned before. And I liked the ending of this episode, as we see that Ash and Serena being motivated and emotional at that time when Litleo finally goes to its path being independent, and Pyro also encourages him. So everyone says goodbye and good luck and good wishes to Litleo. So guys, I hope we have learned from this episode. It was a good episode, and make sure guys you comment, like and subscribe me on my reviews on my channel. It means a lot to me, and I will see you next time. Till then, have a nice day.